This is our in-frame project. It's all completed. It's 2011 DT MaxxForce, and it was no compression, and we had a huge blow-by problem, and we had no choice but to strip it down. Got an aftermarket in-frame kit with pistons, liners, rings, bearings, and gaskets. Had the turbos rebuilt, and injection shop did that, and then we had the new EGR cooler that we weren't really comfortable with the old one because there was a trace of coolant in the oil, so we replaced it. I had the injectors tested, had to send those out. They checked out okay. We replaced the DPF. It had what they call a catastrophic failure. There's chunks in the back end. Can't do anything about it, you have to replace it. This is the old EGR cooler. We did a test on it, but we didn't want to take a chance. It was kind of borderline. So all in all, it was pretty expensive project, but we didn't want to overlook anything. The head was rebuilt. Had to grind the valves, and they magnafluxed it and put it in the hot tank and all that regular stuff, just to be sure. So let's have a listen. Electric fuel pump. See it charge up the fuel system. Yeah, no problem firing up. Firing up real quick, so we got really good high pressure oil. You need 800 psi to run high pressure oil system for the injectors. Yeah, this is one of the liners. See the wear, it's a huge ridge there. Got no compression. And this engine only had 83,000 kilometers on it. It got coolant in the oil because of a failed EGR cooler. And that caused the wear. Coolant got on the oil and mixed in with the oil, and it doesn't lubricate that great. So it just wore to the point where it had so much blow-by, we couldn't run it. The driver couldn't stand it. The blow-by hoses on the right side of the engine, it was just siphoning right into the entrance door. So that's the first sign a driver comes and reports that kind of a burnt oil smell. It's really bad, so they won't even operate the bus. I got to the point where it was just running so rough we had to rebuild it. Yeah, like I said, it's not a cheap job. It's a lot of work. See, there's lots of components, lots of lines, and time-consuming job. But it starts good, it runs smoothly. So we're looking for a long-range plan for this bus to pay us back for all the money we spent on it.